The recent surge in demand for weight loss and diabetes drugs like Mounjaro has been nothing short of remarkable. More and more people are seeking these medications, hoping for better health and improved quality of life. But this popularity has unleashed a wave of dangerous counterfeits, flooding the market and putting countless lives at risk. These fake versions aren't just useless, they can seriously harm your health, causing unexpected side effects or even life-threatening complications. Criminals are cashing in, making convincing copies filled with unknown, risky substances that have never been tested for safety or effectiveness. Using a counterfeit drug is a gamble with your life. You have no idea what's inside, and the consequences can be devastating. Genuine Mounjaro is prescription only, meant for adults with type 2 diabetes or, in some cases, weight management, always under medical supervision to ensure your safety and the right dosage. Counterfeits skip all safety checks, often made in filthy, unregulated labs with no oversight, using ingredients that could be toxic or completely ineffective. The consequences: severe infections, allergic reactions, unpredictable blood sugar swings, and even hospitalization, sometimes with lasting damage. The lure of cheap or easy access is strong, especially online, but the risks are far too high to ignore. Saving money isn't worth risking your health or your life. In this video, we'll show you how to spot fakes, what warning signs to look for, and how to protect yourself and your loved ones from dangerous counterfeit drugs. Your first defense against counterfeit medication is the packaging itself. Before you even open the box, take a moment to look closely at every aspect of it. Real Mounjaro, from Eli Lilly, is always packaged in sturdy, high-quality boxes with sharp, clear printing and vibrant colors. Be alert for flimsy cardboard, faded or blurry logos, or any spelling mistakes. These are immediate red flags. Always check for tamper-evident seals, which should be intact and professionally applied. If the seals look broken, damaged, or appear to have been reapplied, be very suspicious and do not use the product. Lot numbers and expiry dates should be printed clearly and must match exactly with those on the medication pen inside the box. Take the time to compare your box to official images from Eli Lilly or your country's regulatory agencies. Official websites often have detailed photos for reference. Even tiny differences in logo placement, font style, or color can signal a counterfeit product. Counterfeiters often miss these subtle details. Don't rush. Take a few minutes to check every detail, both outside and inside the box, before using the medication. Inside, there should always be a professionally printed patient information leaflet with clear text and no smudges or faded ink. If the leaflet is missing, looks photocopied, is poorly printed, or is full of errors, do not trust the product or use the medicine. Never use any medicine that comes without proper documentation or official paperwork. If anything about the packaging feels off, or you have any doubts, stop immediately and seek advice from a pharmacist or healthcare professional. Remember, your safety starts with careful, thorough inspection. Never take chances with your health. Next, examine the Mounjaro pen itself. Genuine pens feel sturdy with smooth plastic and flawless labels. The lot number and expiry date on the pen must match the box. The medicine inside should be clear and colorless to slightly yellow, never cloudy or discolored. If you see particles or anything unusual, do not use it. Compare your pen to official images online, checking colors, shapes, and label details. Counterfeiters often miss subtle design elements or use the wrong shade. Some fakes refill used pens, so always inspect for tampering. Trust your instincts. If something feels wrong, it probably is. Never inject a pen you're unsure about. When in doubt, consult a pharmacist or doctor. Your health is worth the extra caution. Where you get your Mounjaro matters most. The source of your medication can mean the difference between safe treatment and serious risk. Only buy from licensed pharmacies with a valid prescription. These trusted locations are regulated and staffed by professionals who ensure your safety. Regulated pharmacies follow strict safety protocols, verifying every prescription and medication for authenticity and quality. Avoid online ads, social media sellers, or websites offering Mounjaro without a prescription. These are almost always scams, putting your health and money at risk. Sellers outside the pharmacy system are untraceable and unaccountable. You have no way of knowing what you're really getting. Be wary of compounded tirzepatide. These versions aren't approved or tested like real Mounjaro, and their safety is not guaranteed. Using unregulated sources exposes you to fake, contaminated, or dangerously dosed drugs. The consequences can be severe. including unexpected side effects or even life-threatening reactions. If you suspect a fake or encounter a suspicious seller, don't use the product. Your health is too important to risk. Report it to your country's regulatory authority like the MHRA in the UK so they can investigate and help protect others. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist for guidance and safe alternatives. They can help you find legitimate options and answer your questions. Protect yourself by staying within the regulated medical system. Your safety and well-being should always come first. Protecting yourself from counterfeit Mounjaro is about smart, safe choices. Never trade safety for convenience or price. Only use Mounjaro, prescribed by your doctor and filled at a licensed pharmacy. If you have doubts, ask your pharmacist to verify your medicine. Keep an open line with your doctor. Report any side effects or concerns immediately. Always check packaging and pens for tampering or inconsistencies. Reject offers from unregulated sellers, no matter how tempting. Your health is your most valuable asset. Stick to official channels to ensure you get the real effective treatment you need.